Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna see some more functions and we're gonna see some more applications that are so useful but are so easy to learn. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so we have this plus equal to. This is just a continuation. You can go through this in my last previous video. This means for example, okay, for example x plus equals 1, let's say. Initially, uh, just a minute. Initially, x equals 2. So the final result will be 3 because this says what to be added. What is the number to be added for the previous old version of it. So what to be added. And minus equal to means what to be subtracted. And then now we are getting into some pretty cool stuff. We said this is equal to, right? This is called not equal to. Oh, no. This is called not equal to. So the number we are getting is not equal to this one. Not equal to. Okay. So, okay, let's just dive right in. Just the coding. So first of all, let's assign some okay, match name. It doesn't always have to be match name. It doesn't have any space requirements. So that's just function. So case just leave some indentation space. So just codes, double codes, and then you can see the symbol, the model symbol. So here let's define Harry, and here let's say Ron, and here let's say Hermione. Print oh, sorry, I forgot this semicolon. And I also left some space around here, so no space should be there. And why? Okay. Anyways, print Gryffindor. Okay. So now case um Malfoy. Case Malfoy, let's say. Print Slytherin. Okay, don't confuse with the names. I'm a big fan of Harry Potter, so these are just Harry Potter names. So no need to know what it is. So case, um, let's see, okay, any other case, okay? Any other case, that is, you just leave it with the underscore. Print, um, 2. Okay, now I expect some errors. Let's just leave this some space. So this is one. There's an error. Name. Okay, name is not defined. Okay, fine. Oh, okay. I see why. First of all, we have to define name, right? Name is equal to input. What's your name? Haha. That's pretty lame of me. Pretty lame of me. So let's say Harry Potter. Just Harry, or else it won't be. Yes, Harry Gryffindor, and I say Padma. She's Ravenclaw, so I haven't mentioned her. So it asks who, and we put Malfoy, Slytherin. So perfect, right? So we have another code. Okay, so first of all, let's define I. I equals 3. This uh, while I is not equal to 0, print um, meow, let's say, just meow. Um, and which means I minus is equal to 1, or else I is equal to I minus 1, or I minus is equal to 1. So these work when this is greater than or equal to 4. If it's not equal to 0, it definitely can be negative. So it's greater than or equal to version. If you see a greater than or equal to version, you do the minus is equal to. Or else, let's say, first of all, let's run this code. Meow, meow, meow. 3 times. So there are 3. That's it. And then, I is less than or equal to case now. Let's say print. Okay, now here we had to do plus is equal to 1, because when you get a lesser than or equal to case, you do a plus, and the process is, oh, okay, 3. Meow, you see, so that's only 2. Okay, when 1 comes, it literally stops. So let's we still have to do meow, 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 right? So here we'll define it to 1. So you get the meow, meow. This is because when it's less than 2, I mean less than 3, less than or equals 3, you have for 3, 2, and 1. It ends in 1. It can't go to 0. So that what happens. Like it can go below this value when you define less than or equal to, and when you define more than or equal to, it cannot go above this value. So that's it about this. So I guess it's pretty understandable. Okay, only 9 minutes gone, so let's just okay, maybe I'll cover the next part tomorrow. So tomorrow also we're gonna have Python video. So that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get into Ivy League universities, let's mutually help each other in a community. So I'm gonna send you the link as soon as possible. And after completing the AI tutorial, this link will be shared. And also a link where we build AIs and help like underprivileged people do well and get jobs. So there will be a club for that. So join that too if you're actually serious. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.